right, let's clap together and see if we can see which one changed. Okay, study it. Think at it. Look at it. Oh, I think Beth knows. All right, let's clap it together. You ready? 1, and count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What changed?
What?
It is that one. Do you want to change one this time? And we'll see if Beth can figure out which one you changed. Okay, here. Bring the board over this way. So she can't see what we're going to change. Except use the green one because then she'll really know. Okay, which one are we going to change? Okay. And this one too? Okay. What are you going to put there? Can I write it though? So, I mean, you picked it, but can I write it as what you don't know? Well, that worked. Alright, let me try. Because otherwise she's really going to know. Because my writing's just a little different than yours. Like that? Well, we can't. Oh, you want to do this one too? Okay.
There's going to
Now
be
we
2
can-
notes that are changed.
Well, we're going to find out.
We're going to find out.
All right, Miss Beth. Okay. Can you clap this one? I'm not going to clap this time. Can you two clap together? I know you can because I know you know that these values, these note values. Ready? I'll count it off for you, and then you're going to help her? Okay. 1, 2, 3, begin.
Look at the music, not at Ryan, because then you don't know what the music is.
Beth, which one did he change?
This
He did change that one. What did he move it from? What did it used to be? What kind of notes were there? Yeah, what did he move it to? What's this one called?
dotted out.
It's a dotted half note.
Okay, a dotted half
Yeah.
note. Good. So let's go ahead and let's all do this one together. And I really want to hear you two really say it out loud, okay? So try to be louder than me, more forte than me. Are you ready? Go ahead and put your,
I'll
put
take
your
your
pen
marker.
down. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, get Titus's marker. All right, you ready? Louder than me, you get to count it. Ready? 1, 2, ready, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I'm just going to do that one more time, and I'm going to point to the notes because Beth likes to look at other people and smile, which is so sweet. But okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, count out loud. I'm not going on until you count out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd give you about a C- on that one. Let's do this again till you get to an A. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good.